The same questions hit your store all day and all night. Where is my order? Does this come in blue? When does it restock? Email, DMs, your contact form. The asking never stops. No team can answer 24/7, but your store can. Here's the fix with your GPT AI. Same store, same questions, but now there's an agent in the corner. And a customer is asking for a denim jacket. It searches the live catalog and lays the options right out in the chat. One tap and it's in the cart ready for checkout. Then the question every store gets, where is my order? It asks for the order number and pulls the real status from WooCommerce. Shipped and on its way. Answered in seconds. Here's how you build it. First, create your agent. Head to the YourGPT dashboard and create a new chatbot. Pick a theme you like. Give your agent a name. The preview follows along. The defaults handle the rest. So scroll down and hit Create AI Agent. Train it on your store. Now train it. Open training. You can crawl your website, add FAQs or plain text, but we'll use documents. Hit Add New and upload your files. Product details, shipping, returns, policies, all of it. Then hit Start Training. And that's it. All 10 files are in and your agent is learning your store. Give it a persona. Next, decide who your agent is. Open Settings, then AI Agent. Every agent starts out generic. There are ready-made templates you can start from. Select the default and paste in your own. This one knows your store, how it sounds and what it recommends. And the hard rules. Never invent a product, a price, or a discount. Then pick the model you want. We'll go with Claude Sonnet, and when you are done, hit Save. Set the language. Customers won't all type in English. Back in Settings, open General, find Language, open it, and choose Auto Detect. It saves on its own. Now a customer can write in any language, and your agent answers in that same language. Spanish, French, Japanese. One agent speaking all of them. Every customer gets an answer. Customize the widget. Make it look like your store. Open Widget. Themes, layout, home screen, behavior, all on one page with a live preview. Add the questions every customer asks, where is my order, and how do returns work. Then pick which corner it sits in and how big it is. When you are done, hit Save. Install it on your store. Your store runs on WordPress and there's an official plugin. Open Plugins, hit Add Plugin, and search for your GPT chatbot. Then install it and activate. Then open its settings. Go to your GPT dashboard, then Integrations, and copy your widget ID. Then paste it in and hit Save. Now open your store. And there's your agent. In every corner of your site, live and ready for customers. Turn on store actions. Now let your agent act. Open Functions, then AI Copilot Actions. Then open WooCommerce and turn on agent mode. Switch on all 5. Search products, display products, product details, add to cart, and view cart. Connect your WooCommerce store. Let's set up live product synchronization. Open Integrations and search for WooCommerce. Hit the Enable button. We have already installed the plugin, so skip it. Then open Webhooks and Synchronization. And follow these steps. If you need more details, our documentation is linked in the description. Here's what that buys you. Say the Neon Street hoodie sells out. The moment stock hits 0, your agent knows, and it stops offering it. Restock and it's back, automatically. Out of stock means out of the answers. Put it on every channel. Your customers are also on WhatsApp, Instagram, and Messenger. So open Studio, then Templates, and search for WooCommerce. Then hit Import. Now add your store URL and the 2 API keys from WooCommerce. Check our documentation on generating those. Link is in the description. A flow lands on the canvas that handles product browsing, item search, order status, and customer support. And you can build your own scenarios too. Hit Publish, and it's live on every channel you've connected. one agent everywhere. That's the build. Your store now answers the routine questions itself, tracks every order, speaks every language, and only sells what's actually in stock on your site and every channel you connect. Set it up once, and from then on, every customer's queries are handled.